Did you know that WD-40 can actually save you thousands in car repairs? Most people use it for small fixes, but they don't realize how powerful it really is. In this video, you'll discover 19 smart WD-40 uses that can transform how you maintain your car. And trust me, that one simple hack alone could save you a fortune. Number 19, keeping hard to clean parts of your car looking new. Your car's interior gets dirty fast, but WD-40 can help. Rubber floor mats trap tar, dirt, and grime from your shoes. Just spray WD-40, wipe it with a cloth, and they'll look clean again. Greasy fingerprints, stubborn stains, and random marks on your seats are no problem either. Spray a little WD-40 on a cloth, rub gently, and the stains lift right off. Even gum stuck to your seat? Just spray WD-40. Let it sit for a minute, and it scrapes off effortlessly. Number 18, removes bird droppings, tear, and tree sap without damaging your paint. Bird droppings aren't just ugly, they can damage your paint. If they're stuck on, don't scrub. Spray WD-40, wait a few minutes, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. The same trick works for tar and sticker residue. Finish with soap and water. Number 17, prevents your fuel tank cap from freezing in cold weather. A frozen fuel cap is a real headache in cold weather. You can't refuel, and forcing it open can damage the lock. Spray WD-40 around the rubber seal. It creates a thin layer that repels moisture and stops ice from forming. This keeps the cap easy to open even in freezing temperatures. WD-40 also keeps the rubber flexible, helping it move smoothly and preventing it from sticking or freezing in place. Number 16, prevents rust and corrosion. Your car's metal parts are always exposed to moisture, which leads to rust and corrosion. A quick spray of WD-40 can stop that before it starts. It's especially effective on chrome. If your chrome looks dull or rusty, spray WD-40 on it, then scrub gently and rinse. Number 15, stops annoying squeaks and keeps locks moving freely. Squeaky doors or stiff locks are usually caused by dry hinges and latches. A quick spray of WD-40 keeps them moving smoothly and prevents rust. If your hood latch creaks, use the WD-40 Smart Straw to reach tight spots. But never use WD-40 on your brakes. Squeaky brakes are a warning sign. Lubricating them is dangerous and can cause brake failure. Number 14, removes moisture from a flooded engine. Water and engines don't mix. Moisture in the electrical system can cause misfires or prevent starting. Spray WD-40 on ignition parts to drive out water and keep sparks strong. Even a flooded engine can start with a quick spray in the carburetor. Never use WD-40 as engine oil. Number 13, protects battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals can disrupt your car's power, causing undercharging and shortening battery life. You might notice corrosion in brown, blue, or green colors, and if ignored, your battery could die unexpectedly. To fix it, spray WD-40 on the terminals to break down corrosion. Scrub gently with a wire brush. Always work in a well-ventilated area since WD-40 is flammable. Avoid using cola or baking soda. They can seep inside and damage your battery. Number 12, temporarily restore headlight clarity. Foggy headlights make night driving risky. WD-40 can help temporarily. Its solvents break down oxidation and grime, bringing back some shine. First, clean the headlights with soap and water, then spray WD-40 and buff with a soft cloth to improve clarity. For a long-lasting fix, a headlight restoration kit or polishing compound is a better choice. Number 11, clean and restore your number plate. License plates take a beating from dirt and rust, especially around the edges and screws. Start by spraying WD-40 on rusty or stuck screws to loosen them. Clean the plate with a towel dipped in warm, soapy water, using a Q-tip for tight spots around numbers and edges. Number 10, revive tire sidewalls. First, rinse off loose dirt and scrub stubborn grime with soapy water. Let the tires dry completely. Then, spray a light coat of WD-40 on the sidewalls. Never the treads. Wait a few seconds and wipe with a clean cloth. Your tires will look darker and shinier, while WD-40 also helps prevent cracking and fading. keeping them in top shape without expensive tire dressings. Number 9. Loosen rusted bolts and tight screws. Rusted bolts and stuck screws can make any repair a nightmare. Spray WD-40 generously on the rusted fastener and let it sit for at least 10 minutes to penetrate the corrosion. Then, try loosening it with a wrench or screwdriver. If needed, apply another round. WD-40 not only helps loosen bolts, but also prevents rust from forming in the first place. Number 8. Prevents mud from sticking to your wheels. A light layer of WD-40 creates a slick surface that repels mud and dirt. Spray it on your wheels before a drive to reduce buildup and keep them cleaner for longer. Mud can trap moisture against rims, but a quick WD-40 spray protects them and keeps your wheels in top shape, perfect for muddy roads or off-road adventures. Number 6. Stop windshield wiper blades from squeaking. That screeching sound usually means your wiper blades are dry or dirty. Lift the blades, wipe the rubber edge with WD-40 on a cloth to remove dirt, then use a dry cloth to remove excess. For best results, finish with rubbing alcohol for a streak-free glide. WD-40 cleans and conditions the rubber, but worn blades still need replacing. Number 5. Lubricate window tracks. If your car windows are hard to roll, dirt may be clogging the tracks. Lower the window, spray a small amount of WD-40 into the tracks, and let it sit for a few minutes. Wipe away loosened grime with a cloth, then roll the window up and down to spread the lubricant. This keeps windows moving smoothly and prevents damage. Avoid spraying directly on the glass, and if they still stick, there may be a mechanical issue. Number 4. Remove old bumper stickers and decals. Peeling old bumper stickers often leaves sticky residue. Instead of scraping, spray WD-40 on the sticker, let it sit for a minute or two, and peel it off gently. For leftover glue, wipe with WD-40 on a cloth. This trick also works on parking permits and dealer stickers. Number 3. Remove bugs from your grill effortlessly. A road trip often means a grill covered in bug splatter. Scrubbing risks scratches, and soap alone won't help. Spray WD-40, wait 5 minutes, then wipe with a soft cloth. The bugs come off effortlessly. Rinse with soapy water to remove residue. Number 2. Remove stubborn duct tape residue without harming paint. Duct tape is strong, but its sticky residue is a pain. Instead of scraping, spray WD-40 on the residue. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe it away easily. Finish by washing with soapy water. Number 1. Cleanse and protects rubber water striping. Rubber weather stripping protects your car from rain, dust, and wind, but it can dry out, crack, or stick over time. Wipe it clean, spray a light coat of WD-40, wait a minute, and wipe off excess. WD-40 stops squeaks, fights rust, and keeps your car in top shape. Always keep a can handy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share it. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to keep your car running longer and smarter.